Good morning. I think we're down to day 12 on the project here, and I wanted to give you an update on something that we talked about using the 1/64th tape. Talking about using this 1/64th tape primer. Put the primer on. Put the tape on. Put the primer on top of it. 5 coats of primer. Let it dry. Just before it dries hard, you peel that tape out so that it comes off of out of the groove. And what happens is you got some high spots, and that's okay. Let it dry completely overnight. 2 to 4 hours, I think the can says let it dry. Come back, knock it down with 320, get the edges off of it. Let's see if I can get that. And then I come back and I wet sand it. That's why you don't hear any noise. I wet sand it with 400. And I'm telling you, I'm going to report that making panel lines, number 1, was easy. Number 2, it was easy. Number 3, it was easy. And I will be doing this again. And I'm going to tell you, that was slick how it makes those panel lines stand out. And they're not like, I understand the factory can't do this kind of work, but the panel lines that they give you, like, I don't know. If you can see this is how thick the panel lines are coming from the factory. Yeah, that's about the width of a pencil lead. Man, it's pretty big, and it's all right. We didn't know any better, but I'm telling you, making this like this, that's the way to go, man. That is the way to go. Also, I ordered these micro drill bit sets. Let's see if we get over here. See if we can get the auto. Yeah, there it is. See if we can get the autofocus to get it. I don't know. Why can't I? There it is. That drill bit, I don't know what the size is, but that thing was perfect for doing this kind of work, and I wish I had found it earlier when I was doing the wings. I think the wings would have looked a lot better than what they are because I had a different size drill bit. But making this stuff here, and I haven't wet sanded the wings yet, so I don't know how they're going to turn out. They may turn out just be fine, because once I wet sanded it, didn't look like squat till I sanded it, and I'm telling you, that works great. Okay? You got to try that class. You really got to try that on one of your planes. It's worth the effort. It looks wise, skill wise. You've got something in your your belt. And I'm telling you, that is the way to go. Added a few more rivet panels just to add the realism to it. We're getting close, man. I feel good if we don't make any mistakes here. Today on day 12 is to finish this wet sand the bottom, and then we'll do the wings. We're going to wet sand them down. And because Wednesday of this week coming up is when I'm supposed to be painting. That leaves me 10 days to paint the plane and make that 30-day challenge. So that's what's been going on. It was a late night, and this is Jetman. I just saw something. I gotta go. See you later.